In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview files in OneDrive using the three dots menu step by step in the 2025 desktop browser interface. Previewing is a quick way to check a document, image, or PDF without fully opening it in an app or downloading it. It's fast, it keeps your workspace tidy, and it helps you confirm you've got the right file before you share or edit. All you need is a modern web browser and your Microsoft account. First, open your web browser and go to the OneDrive website. Typing the address directly into the address bar helps you land on the official page right away. If you're not already signed in, you'll see the Microsoft sign-in screen. Enter your account details and complete any prompts you're given, such as verification. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the main OneDrive view. On the left sidebar, click My Files. Depending on your layout, you might start on the Home view, which shows recent and recommended items. My Files is where you can browse your full folder structure and everything you've stored. Give the page a second to load if you have a large library. Now, locate the file you want to preview. You can scroll through folders as you normally would. If your list is long, the search bar at the top can help you jump straight to a file by name or extension. You can also sort by name, modify date, or size to bring the right file into view faster. When you see the file, hover your mouse over it and click the three dots next to the file name. This is the More Actions menu, and it's your shortcut to common tasks without opening the file. A menu will appear with several options tailored to that item. From the menu, click Preview. For many common file types like Office documents, PDFs, photos, and text files, you'll see this option. If Preview is available, select it, and OneDrive will load the file right in your browser. The file will open in preview mode, letting you scan through pages, zoom in and out, or flip between images without making changes to the original. This view is designed for quick checks, so it's fast, clean, and focused on the content. Take a moment to confirm it's the file you need. When you're done, click your browser's back button or click My Files in the left sidebar to return to your file list. You'll be right where you left off, ready to keep working. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.